Aromatic Delights, sauce and stuffing recipes for a perfect holiday turkey. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to transform your holiday turkey into an aromatic masterpiece. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, our goal is to bring families together over delicious aromatic recipes that enhance the holiday spirit. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through creating the perfect sauce and stuffing for your turkey. Let's get started. Stuffing and sauce are not just accompaniments to a turkey. They are the very essence that can elevate a humble bird into an unforgettable meal. These recipes embody tradition, bringing warmth and comfort to your holiday table and creating beloved family memories that will last a lifetime. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients for the stuffing. You'll need bread cubes, preferably a day old for that perfect texture, fresh celery, onions, and garlic for depth of flavor, a mix of herbs such as sage, rosemary, and thyme for their aromatic profiles, butter and broth to moisten and enrich the stuffing. Choosing high-quality, seasonal herbs will be key in ensuring your stuffing stands out, bursting with aroma and flavor. Preparing the base for stuffing, sautéing onions, celery, and garlic in butter. The sight and smell of cooking vegetables. Now, it's time to add the stars of the dish: sage, rosemary, and thyme. These herbs offer a delightful mix of earthy and savory notes, creating an aromatic ensemble that sings of the holidays. Chop them finely or tear the leaves to release their full flavor potential and stir them into the sautéed mix. With the aromatic base ready, it's time to combine everything. Toss the bread cubes with your vegetable herb mixture, ensuring each piece is coated with savory goodness. Add enough broth to moisten the stuffing, keeping texture in mind. It should be soft, but not mushy. Stir gently to maintain the integrity of the bread. To infuse your turkey with the aromatic goodness of this stuffing, carefully fill the cavity without packing it too tightly. Doing so ensures even cooking and flavor infusion throughout the meat. For families who prefer, you can also bake the stuffing separately in a dish to achieve a more crispy texture on top. Next, we turn our attention to the sauce, the crowning glory of any turkey feast. Gather these ingredients: turkey drippings, which offer the base of our sauce, flour for thickening, cranberry sauce and orange zest to infuse fruity aromas, salt and pepper to taste. This list outlines the simple yet impactful ingredients needed to create a sauce that all family members will adore. Begin by pouring the turkey drippings into a saucepan and reducing them over a gentle heat. The goal here is to concentrate the rich, savory flavors. Slowly whisk in flour, ensuring no lumps form, and let the mixture thicken to your desired consistency. This forms the foundation of our delicious sauce. Now, let's add the punch of fruity freshness. Stir in cranberry sauce, allowing its sweet yet tangy profile to meld with the savory base. Enhance this with a zest of orange, which brings a bright, refreshing note that complements the heaviness of the turkey beautifully. Simmer the sauce, adjusting the seasonings with salt and pepper to suit your family's tastes. The consistency should flow easily, but still have a depth of body that clings to the turkey and stuffing. Once achieved, your aromatic sauce is ready to serve alongside your golden roasted turkey. Arrange the stuffed turkey on your serving platter and spoon the sauce over the top. The aromatic wafts rising from the dish will captivate everyone at the table, signaling the onset of delightful holiday festivities. Cooking is a wonderful opportunity for family bonding. Encourage children to participate, perhaps by washing herbs or mixing ingredients. The joy of creating something delicious together will become a memorable part of your holiday traditions. Remember, cooking is as much about the process as it is the end result. Keep a relaxed atmosphere in the kitchen. Let laughter and creativity fill the space. This video is meant to take away the pressure and focus on enjoying every moment you spend cooking with your loved ones. Serve your aromatic turkey with a range of side dishes that complement the main course. Consider buttery mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, and perhaps a light salad for balance. For a festive presentation, garnish your platter with sprigs of leftover herbs or slices of orange and cranberry. Should there be any leftovers, though it's unlikely with such delicious offerings, store them in airtight containers in the refrigerator. Leftover stuffing makes a great addition to the next day's meals, while the sauce can be reheated gently and used in sandwiches or wraps. Keep these tips in mind to avoid common pitfalls. Don't overstuff the turkey. Ensure your sauce is smooth and well seasoned, and remember not to let the turkey dry out during roasting. These pointers will help guide you to a perfectly cooked meal. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Feel free to share your family's take on these recipes in the comments below. If you have any questions or tips of your own, we encourage you to contribute to our culinary community. Our use of fresh herbs not only adds flavor, but also offers nutritional benefits. Sage, rosemary, and thyme are filled with antioxidants and vitamins, enhancing the healthful side of our holiday spread. The cranberry and orange also bring a dose of vitamin C and fiber. These recipes are versatile and can be adapted to fit various dietary needs. For those who are gluten-free, consider using gluten-free bread for the stuffing. Vegans can replace the butter with olive oil and use vegetable broth in place of turkey drippings. Interestingly, these aroma-rich recipes have counterparts in many cultures. French herbes de Provence or Italian herbed focaccia mirror the musky marjoram and basil, and Indian spices could inspire unique adaptations of the traditional stuffing, encouraging you to explore and expand your flavor profiles. We've drawn upon tips from culinary experts who stress the importance of balancing flavors wisely. The combination of savory and sweet, especially the play between cranberry and turkey drippings, creates depth that appeals to all palates, a trademark of well-loved holiday recipes. We frequently receive questions about perfecting the consistency of the sauce or achieving the right stuffing texture. Remember, patience is key. Taste as you go, and don't be afraid to make adjustments based on your preference. We encourage you to make these recipes your own. Try adding nuts or dried fruit to the stuffing, or experimenting with different herbs in the sauce. Share these variations with us or within your own family circle to spark new culinary traditions. As we reach the end of our video, let's reiterate the joy of infusing your holiday meals with aromatic flavors, turning cooking into a moment of family bonding and celebration. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope these aromatic recipes will grace your holiday tables and become part of your cherished traditions. Bringing families closer through cooking is what holidays are all about. For more recipes and holiday cooking tips, follow us on social media. We invite you to share photos of your creations using our hashtag #AromaticHolidayCooking. Join our community of home chefs bringing aromatic magic to their tables. Aromatic Delights, sauce and stuffing recipes for a perfect holiday turkey. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve into creating homemade holiday desserts that are both healthy and delicious. We can't wait to share more festive delights with you. Check our description box for printable recipes and an ingredients checklist to make your holiday cooking easy and enjoyable. Visit our blog for detailed instructions and more holiday kitchen wisdom. Wishing you and your families a warm, joyful, and aromatic holiday season. May your tables be filled with love and your kitchens with fragrant delights. Happy cooking, and see you next time.